we are going to see about the second sum. An agricultural field is in the form of a parallelogram. So the given figure is a parallelogram whose area is, given the area is 68.75 square point HM. HM means harmonic mean. Okay, in higher classes we will learn about this. The distance between the parallel side is 6.25 harmonic mean. Find the, so distance between the parallel means what? So these are the parallel lines. So distance, so from this I can draw perpendicular. I am getting 6.25. So they mention area, so I am shading this place for pencil. So 68.75 HM square. Okay. Then find out your base, that's only they are asking. So as usual, so I did it written. So 68 point. So what's the formula of parallelogram? B into H is square unit. So 68.75 equal to B into 6.25. Okay, this 6.25 is going this part. What value will come? Going that place, what value will come? So we will see. So we are having 2 points, right? So I am going to round off this. So first of all I am writing B equal to, this implies interchanging the place, 75 by 6.25. okay, so I want to remove this point. So 1 2, so 1 2 means I can multiply with 100, it will get a 6857. okay, the same denominator, if you multiply with numerators means denominator also you multiply 100. So I am getting 625. It's moved to the right hand side points. Okay, that's why if you have a point means move directly and write the value. So I can cancel by using the phi table. In this place I can cancel. So in phi table this is 1 for 2, then 5 times. In this place 1. So I mentioned 118. So this is for 3. Then again 3, 37. It's not coming. So 35 for 7 times. So I am putting 2. So 5. Again I cancelled by using a 5 table. So 2 times 25 for 5 times. So in this place 10 for 2 times. So 3, 7. Again 5 times. Again cancelling 5 table 5 times. This is 25 for 5 times, 55 times, 1 time, then 11 times. So my answer is 11. If you ever struggle to use this method means you can use long division method, that is 6875 is divided of 625. So 625 is the least value, so I am taking 3 digits. So 1 time, so 625. So I can cancel, so I am getting 2, so subtracting 6, so borrow from this, so 2, so 625 for 1 time, so 625, so 0. It's also easy way to write. Okay, so what's the answer? Finally we are getting 11 HM. They mention HM in, you should put that unit. Then what is the base? The base equal to 11 HM. That's it. Okay. So in this place, next we have to move to the third sum. A square and a parallelogram having the same area. So what are the shape it's have, but its area is same measurement. That's only they mention. So if you find out the area of the parallelogram, the same they find out the area of the square. So the answer is equal. That's only they mention. So if the side of the square is 48 meter and the height of the parallelogram is 18 meter, find the length of the base. So what this telling, side of the square is a 48 meter. So we already know side is A. So height of the parallelogram equal to 18 meter H. So we are going to find out length of the base of the parallelogram. They already mentioned area of the square is equal to area of the parallelogram. Equal only they mentioned, right, in your question. Same means equal. So area of the square I can write equal to area of the parallelogram. What is the area of the square? A into A. This is a formula for area of the square. Side into side. So area of the parallelogram what? Base into height. Okay. So base into height is why area of the parallelogram. What's the A value? 48 into 48 equal to, what is a parallelogram? Parallelogram base. I don't know my base value. That's only we are going to find out. What's the H value? 18. So this 18 is moving this place, become a denominator. That's equal to your b. So whether I can cancel or not. So in 18 I can cancel. First time cancel by using a 2 table. So 18 in 2 table 9 times. So 48, 20, 4 times. Right. Then in 9. In 9, what is the possibility for cancel? Whether it's a 3 table. So then I am moving a 3 table. So 24 for 8 times. So another possibility we have to write. So 48 will move in 3 table 1 and 3 for 1 time. 18 for 6 time. So what do you have? So I can write interchanging the place. B equal to I can write 16 is a balance. We are having a value 16 and 8. 16 into 8. Your denominator is a 1. Okay. So 16 is a 8 6 are 48. So balance 4. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 4 12. So what's your base? So they mention a meter, you put meter. Therefore, length of the base of the parallelogram is equal to 128 meter. Okay. Then we move to the fourth sum. Fourth sum, what they mentioned, the height of the parallelogram is 1/4 of its base. So 1/4 of its base means what? 1/4 means what? 1/4. Base I don't know means into b. Very clear. Base means b. So height is a 1/4 of b means 1/4 of means multiplication into base b. If area of the parallelogram is 676 square centimeter, find the height and base. Because I don't know, this is a 1/4 of my base. That's only the mention. So what I told, so height is nothing but 1/4 into b centimeter. Base I don't know. Base equal to b. As usual, b alone. So I'm going to find out my height and base. So what is your formula? Area of the parallelogram. So I can write area of the formula is nothing but b into h. I can write in this place. So first b into h equal to, so we finally find out your answer is 676. I can write like this also, no problem. If you know base and height means finally you get this answer right the same way. B into h equal to 676. So what's the base? I don't know. B as usual. What's the height? 1/4 of your base. So 1/4 into a b equal to 676. So b, how can I write? B into b means b square. I can write. This 4 is going that place. 676 into 4. So we already know about square root, I think so. So if you are having a square, if you have 4 means 4 I can write 2 into 2. So 2 square. Okay. So a square equal to 2 square. This 2 cancel. So a equal to 2. I can write the same process. How it is come. So 4 I can write 2 square. 4 I can write 2 square. 676. Taking LCM because the biggest value. So what's the LCM? Lower value to higher. 3. In true table 6 is a 3. Again a 3 is a 8 times. Right? So again 2 table because ending 2. So 1 time, 6 time, 9 time. But 9 coming in 3 table alone and 7 table. So 169 in 3 table is possible. It's 15, so balance it's not possible. In 7 table we will try. In 7 4 are 29, so it's not possible. So it should be moving in 13 table. Okay, 13 1 time. So balance you are getting 13 1 time. Then you are getting a 3. 13 3s are 39. so 3 times, again it will move 13. So how can I write my 676? My b square equal to 676. How can I write? Two into 2 into 13 into 13, 4 I can write 2 into 2. Okay, that is nothing but this is a, how can we write b into b? Okay, so b value, so pair. So this is I am taking 2 means taking square means taking 1b means taking same. 2 means I am taking single 2 into 13 means taking a single 13. Okay, because removing a square. 2 means one pair, you are getting a one answer for this. Okay, this is a square root. This is telling a square root. So b equal to 2 2s are 4 into 13. 4 into 13, 12 balance 1, 52. So what is our base? 52 centimeter is your base. Then you should go into find out your height. What's the height? I didn't have the space, that's why I am erasing and write. Okay, in your note you can write neatly. So what is our height? Height equal to, we know 1 by 4 of my b. So 1 by 4 into my 52. So I can cancel this, right? 1 time 12 for 3 times. So height equal to how much? 13 centimeter. That's it. Okay.